Hello, my name is Colin Rundel, and I'm a professor at Duke University in the Department of Statistical Science. I've been teaching data science with R for a decade now, and I've been teaching Shiny specifically to our students since 2015. This year at Posit conf, I'm teaching a one-day workshop on getting started with Shiny for R that is targeted at current R users who are interested in learning Shiny for the very first time. Here are 3 reasons why you should consider taking this workshop. The first is building a solid foundation. While Shiny apps are written in R code, they use a reactive programming paradigm, which is very different from what most R users are experienced with when they're developing R code themselves. Throughout this workshop, we will help you develop a thorough understanding of this reactive paradigm, how you implement it, and how you debug applications using it, so that you are prepared to write your own Shiny apps once you finish the workshop. We also want to help you putting it all together. Throughout the course of the day, we'll be working on the iterative development of a complete and real-world application that includes complex user interactions and internal functionality. We will be starting with a very basic app, and we will then be incrementally adding functionality and introducing new core concepts of Shiny along the way as we add features to that application. We'll take time to discuss how the added features interact with the existing functionality of the app, which is an incredibly important but often overlooked aspect of developing Shiny apps that is often hard to pick up from the documentation alone. Finally, active learning and live coding are going to be a big component of this workshop. We will definitely have a series of lecture components to this workshop, but we will be breaking those up by including interactive activities and exercises where you'll be asked to work on small parts of the larger application. There will also be regular live coding segments in which we will collaboratively work through the exercises, and in so doing, demonstrate best practices. We'll also narrate the process of implementing solutions, working through those solutions, and then also, when there's problems with those solutions, working through the process of debugging and troubleshooting so that you can solve them in the real world. If any of this sounds interesting to you, I would highly recommend going to posit.com/conference to look into more details about this particular workshop and the other workshops that are being offered. From there, you'll be able to enroll in this or any of the others. I hope to see you in Chicago in September.